Hello Giddy buddies. So in this video I'm going towards Feroze Gandhi market. Let me show you how our Ludhiana is and how is the road condition and while I travel. So this is placed near Salem Tabri. You can see a temple also on the horizon. Maybe on this camera you won't be able to see it properly. On left hand side we just passed a petrol pump, and you can see these big towers. If you have visited long time ago, they have erected these, constructed, or you can say installed these big towers, and they are massive. Not very big, but it's quite good, man. The high power lines, they have installed those lines on this, and that looks pretty amazing. You can see on the right an old kind of tower, and on the left side new kind of tower. That looks little advanced, not like others that you usually install. So I'm taking a little shortcut here. A little adventurous one. Not the common one that other people take, especially not the girls. Still nothing on this bridge. Maybe this bridge needs some renovation or reconstruction to bear the load of the trucks and the cars. Only two-wheelers and light vehicles like e-rickshaw are going through this. Wow, such an old three-wheeler auto. Very old it is, and very slow also. It usually does not have speed above 30. Now mostly people are buying this e-rickshaw. This is e-rickshaw, and that usually costs around 1,70,000, 1,80,000, around this. It depends upon how many batteries you are installing or what kind of shape it is. One of my friend, he also bought the e-rickshaw, and he drives that e-rickshaw every day. And he tells me that if I drive it like an average time, morning and the evening off, and take rest in the afternoon, then he is able to make 1,000 rupees as a profit. So that's good. 30,000 to 35,000. It depends how many days you give it. So that's pretty good sum, including the EMI you have to pay. That's a different task. Obviously no guy would be having big amount to buy it cash. All would be buying it in the EMI. This was guy talking to my father sitting behind me, and on the left hand side you can see Master Tara Singh Memorial Public School, and there is a Gurdwara also. And we will take a left turn from here, a right turn, sorry. You can see the Ford Endeavour. They have installed the Mustang logo, the Mustang logo on the grill. Wow, nice, man, nice. Taking an odd turn. Usually police stop us from taking this turn. He just came and braked very near. So usually the shops are not open here because it is early morning, 10:15 the current time. It's the summers and usually becomes very hot in the afternoon. Now it's okay, not cool, not very hot. It's kind of okay. If you are moving, then that's fine. If you are standing, then you may become sweaty soon. This is Lucky Bakery, very old bakery, and he has planned to shift from here to some other place. And this is the Moria Pull. You can see the beautiful view, train passing on the bridge. That looks cool. Now this is the chong. On the right hand side you can find a sugarcane juice shop here, very popular and very old. They usually take good care of cleanliness. On this place usually sometimes I see Discovery Range Rover, I guess it's Range Rover Discovery or something model like this, I'm not sure. And this is one of the main chunk, and from here we'll take a left turn, and the traffic light just turned red, so no need to hurry. We'll drive slowly. And on the left hand side there is a big mall pavilion, and new mall is being constructed. The construction is going on. The basement is complete and the top floors are being constructed right now. You can see the construction going on the left hand side. Straight ahead you can see that. On the right hand side that is pavilion. "36 minutes, oh not 36 minutes, seconds." You can see the tower crane hanging and operating and delivering the load. I guess that's concrete or some construction material. This is a very innovative way of transporting the material to the different places required by the tower crane. That crane can lift itself without any help from other machines. Only few persons are needed to lift it. The tower crane has inbuilt hydraulic jacks. You can see the video on the YouTube how the tower crane works if you are interested. And this is PU Regional Center, Punjab University Regional Center. Right hand side we are passing near Pavilion Mall, and this is Fountain Chong you are seeing in front of us. And this chong is being maintained by the Monte Carlo, very popular hosiery brand that makes very good hosiery products, and they export also. They are also listed in the stock market of India. The share is around, I guess I have not checked it, it was around 600 to 650 I guess. Currently the market is also rising, so that would be, oh wow, something is happening here. All of this Rani Jhansi Road is being decorated. The lights and the pillars, I guess there is something. We'll see. Maybe we can see a board. What is happening? Yeah man, after you. On the right side, IPS home. This is very popular bakery shop, Sutlej Sweets Bakery, Namkeen, food court and cakes, and they have cookie craft. Also another shop that sells very expensive food items like bread, cakes and a lot more. They have good burger also. And on the left hand side, this is a building that is still under construction. It's not been going on much here. Maybe some case is pending. And on the left hand side, you can see very amazing jewelers, very rich one also, Jewelux, Kalyan Jewelers, and few of one of the bakeries. And there is a gym also over here. And on the left hand side, HDFC Bank. It's just finished the renovation and just opened. And this is Khalsa College for Women on the right hand side. Today is Saturday and the time is 10:30, so the rush is not that much because colleges maybe they are having holiday, so not that rush hour here. Now you can see Roop Square on the right hand side and Sony Center. You can buy Sony cameras, Sony home theater, Sony LED and a lot more. The shop is very big, and in front of us is Kumar Mandi. We'll take a left turn from here, and here also you can see many shops, the bakery shops also. And on the right side there is, the shop is Gagan Color Images, very popular for the printing your cards, printing your something. They have like huge number of computers inside to help with the work, and big number of men working inside to help for the printing work, printing job, etc. And you can see the construction work is still going on the flyover. This is the flyover going from Firozpur Road to bus stand and the Jigaon Bridge, I guess. And we have just turned left from here and we'll take a right. There the construction is going on. They usually keep on changing this turn. Now this is the turn, unofficial turn, I guess. They keep on changing it. So in front of us is Feroze Gandhi Market, and we'll take a right turn and a left turn from here. And this road is, and you can see the Park Plaza in front of you. This is the 5-star hotel of the Ludhiana, one of the 5-star hotels in Ludhiana. Very fine. Most of the seminars and functions are held by the big companies here. And this is Pakwal Road. And on the left there is all Feroze Gandhi Market. We'll just take a left turn from here and we'll enter Feroze Gandhi Market. You can, the Ludhiana stock market is situated here. Mostly all of the banks, they have branches, and all of the mutual funds, they have offices, and mostly very big insurance companies all have offices over here. Mostly big companies. Even Paytm also have a small office here. And we'll just park our scooty here. So we'll park our scooty here in the sunlight. So that's all for the video, guys. If you like the video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. See you in another video. Take care. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed the video.